Good day to my fellow Laksonians. I am Michi Pangajong from Section Argon. Now we will talk about the refrigerant cycle. Refrigerant cycle has four main components. First, the compressor. Second, the condenser. Then, expansion valve. And last, the evaporator. Cycle of refrigerant starts in compressor. Then going to condenser. Then condenser to expansion valve. Then expansion valve to evaporator, then ends to evaporator to compressor. Now, my method to understand this cycle, I divided in horizontal and vertical line. Now, in this side is the low pressure, in this side is the high pressure. And we have two states of refrigerant, where in this side is the vapor and this is the liquid. Now, we will start the cycle. This is the function of compressor, where function by low pressure, low temperature liquid, vapor refrigerant. Now, the work of compressor is the first step refrigeration cycle, and refrigeration is the piece of equipment that increase the pressure of the working gas. Refrigerant enters the compressor as low pressure, low temperature gas and leaves the compressor as high pressure, high temperature gas. Now, it will go to the inlet of condenser. The work of condenser is remove the heat from the hot refrigerant vapor gas until it condenses into saturated liquid state, or also called condensation. After condensing, the refrigerant is high pressure, high temperature liquid, which point retained in the loop expansion valve. Loop expansion valve will go to the expansion valve. Now, the work of expansion valve is a device used to control the refrigerant flow in a refrigerant system. They help to facilitate the change of higher pressure of liquid refrigerant. It condensing unit to lower pressure gas refrigerant in the evaporator. It will go to the inlet of evaporator. Now, the work of evaporator is the second heat exchanger in a standard refrigerant circuit, and like condenser, it named for its basic function. It serves as the business end of refrigerant cycle. Given that it does what we expect air conditioning to absorb heat. This happened when refrigerant enters the evaporator as low temperature liquid at low pressure and fan force air. May fan na din. We have fan here. Then force air across evaporator fins cool the air by absorbing the heat from the space question in the refrigerant. After doing so, the refrigerant is sent back to the compressor, where the process is start, and that is the cycle of refrigerant cycle. And that's all. Thank you.